singles matches on deck here. And Byron, what should we expect to see here tonight?
Well, given the shape these superstars appear to be in here tonight, I fully expect to see one of the most competitive matches we've seen in a very long time.
And guys, you have to respect how much pride he has in what he does.
I don't know, Michael. I understand the importance of having pride in what you do, but sometimes I think he can be a bit overbearing. I don't know if he means to be, but that's definitely how he comes across at times.
This match is sure to not disappoint, especially considering who's involved here tonight.
You're absolutely right, Michael. This match will be one we'll be talking about for a long time to come.
Well, I think we can all agree that this will be no easy match for him here tonight.
Yeah, but you can say that about every match here on the card. There's no such thing as a cakewalk here in the WWE.
Kick this one off. They say everything is bigger in Texas.
This looks like the setup, too.
He's hurting now. If he doesn't get out of that corner, he's going to be hurting even worse. Anticipated that attack perfectly. This is just going to be physical. There's no other way to describe it.
Just getting all twisted up.
Now trampling the opposition. Tossing him out of the ring, guys. This is in his wheelhouse.
What are we going to see here? The wheels are turning.
Here we go.
All the way.
It is so easy to stay in touch with your superstars 24/7 in a variety of social media outlets, including WWE's own Facebook page. No man does that better. Back now inside the ring. Ooh-wee. He's in control. German suplex released. What a match. He has become relentless at this point.
Great effort
Now let's take a look back at these guys in action. He ain't messing around.
Almost forgot about this one.